Greetings. This is a 2015 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus. For the longest time, I've had an intermittent headlight, and everyone on the road kindly tells me my headlight is out. So I say thank you very much. And I looked into replacing the bulb, and the first problem I ran into was there's not enough room behind to get my hand back in there, even with some of this stuff removed behind there, to unhook the bulb and get it out. These are the HID, high intensity discharge lamps. So then I researched it, and it looks like you have to remove a lot of this front trim and pull the headlight out the front direction so you can get behind it to replace the bulb. And I'm not really interested in doing that. And I'm also not the kind of guy who wants to pay his dealership to replace a headlight bulb. I just can't see myself, with all my ability, paying someone to replace a headlamp for me. So I found another way to do it, which is possibly to remove the inner fender liner, take the wheel off, remove the inner fender liner, which would probably give you enough access to get your hand back in here to unhook the bulb. But before doing all that, check your fuse box. 9 times out of 10, for me, it's never a fuse, but I actually lucked out this time and discovered that the relay fuse for my headlamp is obviously fried. So if you remove the cover to the fuse box, inside here they give you a little chart of what everything is called, where it is. So 15 and 16 right here and here is the relay fuse for your left and right headlamp. And they give you a little tool right here on the side to help remove it. And upon removal of the right side, I discovered that it was fried. So hopefully for $5.99 at my local AutoZone, I got a pack of fuses. These are 20 amp low profile mini fuses. Make sure you buy the ones. These are real small. Low profile is what they're called, 20 amp. I might go ahead and replace this one while I'm here. One thing I hope, I got to get a flashlight in there. I hope there's no damage down in here. Being like this thing is so sizzled and fried, I hope nothing's like melted or damaged down in the fuse box side of things, because that's going to really suck. So I'm going to go ahead and swap that out with some new fuses, fire it up, and see where we're at. Good luck. All right, sick. As you can see, both headlights are on. Lovely, lovely. Everything's working. I got to check the turn signals, but I actually went ahead and I replaced both of them, because this one looks like it was started. The other side, it looked like it was starting to fry again. You can see some discoloration. So I just went ahead and I replaced both of them. Also, make sure they're seated down all the way. I noticed some of the fuses were kind of pushed out a little bit. So just make sure everything is seated down in there properly. Maybe that was part of the problem, if it was coming loose, not making a good connection. So get everything seated. I might even go check, since I got these 20s, I might go check these other ones just for the hell of it. And hey, good luck. Hope that's helpful. So rock on with some. Now I can see again.